Oh man, about to hit the gym, bro. About to hit the gym, bro. So I'm definitely gonna regret drinking this pre-workout. It's after 5 p.m. But you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. If I'm gonna be up all night, then so be it, bro. You feel me? Woo!
Yeah, everybody's heard about the word.
Hey, one thing, man, about this pre-workout, dog. It hits you super quick. Like, I live about 7 minutes from the gym. I guarantee you, I'm gonna be feeling it by the time I hit the parking lot. That's one thing that's really cool about, you know what I'm saying, that dabbage. So if you want something that works really quick, you know what I'm saying, gives you that immediate energy, give C-Bump Dabbage a try, bro. You will not be disappointed. All right, dog, so we made it to the gym, and it's packed up. Parking lot's packed up, so we're gonna get in here and try to finish this workout real quick and easy. Real quick and in a hurry. We got literally an hour, 45 minutes to get it done. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm shooting for about 45 minutes to an hour. Trying to knock it out as quick as possible. Hopefully all the machines aren't taken. If so, then, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be doing some variations, but let's get in here and get this knocked out, man. Like I said, I'm starting to feel the pre-workout already, so let's get this popping, dog. It's your virtual gym bro, J-Ron, man. We about to get it, cut. Choo! Oh yeah, by the way, man, I made a new song, man. You know what I'm saying? Coming soon, bro. I got a couple more I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, put on wax. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for the J Rizzle, you feel me? Choo! So we're gonna get a nice quick easy push in. Start with the decline.
What y'all boys doing here so late? How you doing? I don't know what he said. This one, you don't want to have no smoke. Yeah, what are you doing? How you doing?
Got 3 warm-ups and then a set of 6 and then 2 sets of 10. So I'm gonna hit this warm-up again. See how I feel. Still being careful with my shoulder.
I just like you. Yeah, you gotta be knowing that.
So to be honest, bro, it's a little challenging, but I haven't really felt any pain with my shoulder in this decline position. So I'm gonna keep on trying to push it until I hit an immediate no. You know what I'm saying? So let's give this a try and see how it feels, bro.
Yeah. Exactly. But what's the difference? I guess you're just not smoking your lungs. Definitely better than you
So we got 1 set of 10. We're going to lat pull down. Felt pretty good, bro. So next we're gonna hit lat pull down. If I can find a machine. Everything is pretty taken. But let's go check it out. So all the lat pull down machines are taken, so we're gonna hit some pull ups, bro. We got 2 warm-up sets and 2 sets of 12. So let's see. We'll do 2 sets 4 and 2 sets backwards. So I'm just gonna do neutral grip. Alright, so we're gonna do another warm-up set, see how we're feeling. Neutral grip. Do like 2 negatives.
So imagine like she likes eight right in front of you. Looks like that.
One more. Let's try to get this, bro. Eccentric. Cool beans, bro. So we got shoulder press. We got 2 sets of 12. So here I'm gonna go relatively light. Keep my shoulder safe. Yeah, I feel that pretty intensely. crazy. Like everything in my shoulder is just super tight. Lower this down a little more. What I might do, I might move up here. Yeah, that feels better for the shoulder. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, bet. So we got see the cable roll next. Two sets of 12 with a drop set. I'm working on trying to keep my chest tall, even when I get the stretch. Try to keep that chest as tall as possible. Roll back. As much as I can. That was a warm-up set. We're gonna do one working set, and then the last set we're gonna do a drop set. So we'll probably drop down to 20. And it's a double pulley, so technically we drop down to 40. I'm gonna try to get 3 more reps of that. We'll do this last set. We're gonna drop down and do a drop set. Gym finally starting to clear out a little bit. I first got here, it's packed up. So this last set I'm gonna shoot for like, man, I'm gonna shoot for like 8, at least 8. And then Try to get 8 more for real. Drop down 20. 8 more. Shucks. I'm trying for like 3 more reps. Real slow. Pretty good burn. Let's see what we got, bro. All right, so our final 2 sets is super set. We got skull crushers with easy bar curl. 2 sets, 15. So it should be fine.
I ain't got it.
All right, bro. So we done, man. We're done, bro. 44 minutes. Got 45 minutes to spare. Not too bad, man. eventually I want to get back to a better routine of just going heavier. Today I went really light, really take it easy on my shoulder, but you know, after a few weeks, I expect to be, you know, in a better position. But you know, I just gotta keep being careful, bro, and continue this physical therapy. You know, listen to my doctor, listen to my body. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to impress nobody but myself, and I'm happy. So y'all stay blessed, y'all stay strong. It's your virtual gym, bro. Stay tuned for some more, bro. Eat it.